It's called the hydraulic filter, right? So basically this is the filter. Again, now you can see the oil cooler over there, much visible, right? And if you come over here, so let me just close this one. Same valves.
Yes, sir.
Clear, which was present over there. So I've already told you that one is for the two of the pair is there, right? So there is also, here is also, and at there. So there are 4 and total stones are 8 modules, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is controlling 2 at a time. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. आपको clear हो गया sir? You are asking ना? So 2 are there, 2 are here. So just like that, right? And you can see over here the no, just up portion.
Up portion.
So that is your return filter, and this is your main filter, and up is the gauge. You can see up gauge.
Yes.
So from here you can see the what is the pressure going on. सबको दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है?
Sir,
So
filter.
that,
What, sir? This filter.
return filter.
Return filter. वो जो सादा ये
Grey color, grey.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Grey color with white background, white sticker.
Okay, sir. Like a split.
The drainage, this one, and one is for the filling. I think so. That is for the drainage. This is for the filling one.
Inlet, outlet.
Motor coming. That then there is a high pressure pump. This is the low pressure pump.
Low pressure pump, sir.
2 pumps over here, and one is the emergency pump.
Low pressure pump for only grinding stones.
Down force.
Yes.
Up force, high pressure. Behind that is the motor. Hydraulic motor. So motor is working. Then it is one high pressure pump, one low pressure pump. It will work on automatically.
Low pressure.
There.
Yes,
And
sir.
everything is controlling the lifting, tilting, and shifting. Clear? So same thing. So these are called the solenoid valves.
Solenoid valve.
There are these 2 solenoid valve, and there this one solenoid valve, and at the bottom this and this one are the solenoid valve.
Solenoid valve.
Right?
Solenoid.
Tilting, lifting, and shifting.
Valve.
That I'll not tell. That is a dust system. So dust servo valve.
Servo valve.
Valve.
Servo valve.
Valve.
Okay, sir.
Tilting is there, lifting is there, shifting is there. So all this is, and this is the hydraulics, and in the bottom that is the main manifold. So everything is connecting, and from there it is distributed.
Distributing, connect.
No, this one.
ওই যে এই যে এতগুলো ওয়্যার
Silver wala.
সিলভার ওয়্যার অনেকগুলো
Round silver. বিভিন্ন পাইপ লাগা আছে না?
ও ওইটাই ম্যানিফোল্ড সার্ভো ওয়্যার
ওই যে উপরের যে
এখানে ইয়া দেওয়া আছে কার্যক্রম দেওয়া আছে
See, same thing over here also. Good. That is controlling these things. This is controlling, right? So you can see, sir, over here. This is your hydraulic system. I told you where it is on the 3rd door. In the class I told you, no? The first, second, and this is your third door. So 3rd door you will find your hydraulic system, right? So you can see over here. If you come over closer, that you can come here. पास में पहले ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा वो दो पर that 2 are accumulators. Clear or not clear? I told you in the class today. So dash 2 are the accumulators, and this in center one, that golden one, that is what? Oil cooler. Yes, that is the oil cooler, and that golden one is the motor, electric motor for running the oil cooler. Clear? Yes. Right. So this is the oil cooler, that is your accumulator, and over here is the
Hydraulic motor.
No, this one. This is the tank.
Reservoir.
This is the reservoir. This is, and this is the hydraulic motor over here, that grey in color. Clear or not clear? And from here you can drain out also. This one. Yeah, na? Reservoir. So if you want to drain. So these things are present over here, and we'll go to that side if you want to see the filters and all. So right now from here it is visible like this only.
Okay, sir.
This one pump.
Emergency pump, that
Yes.
one, red one.
Yes. You know, black and
Black and
red to labeling. Hai.
label, red label. Emergency pump.
Clear everyone? Clear, sir. So we have got 3 pumps over here. One is the high pressure pump, low pressure pump, and this one is the emergency pump over here. Right? We'll go to the that side of the machine.
Okay, sir.
This is the outlet from here, and this is the air line coming.
Air line.
So air line we are taking, and we are cleaning the machine with the help of this. And air compressor should be in on position.
On position, okay, sir.